Make sure y'all sub to Ballin' in My Court Daily NBA News here, but I'm going to say this right now. Sacramento Kings, it's over. Domantas Sabonis, the experiment with DeRozan, Levine. They already traded De'Aaron Fox in the middle of the season. It's over. Rebuild. Blow it up. It's done. I don't know what that was yesterday when the Dallas Mavericks, they're going through hell right now, were able to beat y'all like that and y'all home in the play-in and it's over. Call it a wrap. It didn't work with the Bulls with Zach LaVine and DeMar DeRozan, and it sure as hell did not work in the Kings with those same two. And Domantas Sabonis, everybody just didn't look like they wanted to play. Sacramento Kings, rebuilt, started all over. That's all I got to say, man. Y'all comment down below. You tell me what you think. All right, one.